How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another daily update on the portfolio and what I am thinking, what's going on in my mind as a relatively new investor. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Talk to any professional and see what's the best option for you. But anyways, let's see how the portfolio is doing today. Freaking boring day. Jesus, look at this. We're up a good amount in the beginning of the day, and then we ended up dropping and breaking even. And what I've really been thinking about, of course, is my Neo stock. And I was thinking, how many shares do I think it would take for me to become a millionaire from Neo, a Neo millionaire from the stock? And honestly, it all depends on how long you're willing to wait on Neo. I think Neo honestly is comparable to Apple. And I've heard this comparison, and I really didn't think about it that much. But then the more I'm seeing what they're doing, the more revenue little streams that they're trying to come up with. They're trying to make a little bit of money here, make a little bit of money there, make a little bit of money from this product, this service, that service. That as time goes on and they keep getting a little bit of revenue from here, a little bit of revenue from there, and then they keep increasing it over time. That's exactly what Apple does. Apple does, they sell this little product here, and then this little product, they have this little service, and they have this more services, and then more products that give you more services, and then boom, they have so many different revenue streams that they become the freaking monstrosity of the stock market with basically 2.5 trillion market cap, or 2.48 trillion market cap. It's the biggest company in the world by a lot, right? Basically by a lot. I don't know what second place is. I think Amazon is second place, or Microsoft is second place. Where the hell is Microsoft? Microsoft's 2 trillion. Look at, yeah, basically they're above Microsoft by $300 billion market cap. That's a freaking huge company right there that they're ahead of them by. And I think Neo has the potential to become that. Not, I don't think they can become as big. Maybe they can. I don't even know. You know what? I don't even know if they can. They probably can even get that big in the next 20 years, 30 years. Never know. Never. You never know, right? But I'm saying in the next 5 to 10 years, I have no. I have like no. I can tell you right now that I wouldn't be surprised. I see Neo being a $400-$500 stock in the next 5 to 10 years. 400, if it's a 10x from now, it's a $700 billion market cap, which is just a little bit bigger than what Tesla is today. Because Tesla is almost it's a $600+ billion market cap. Basically at the peak, it was 900 billion, 800 billion at its peak. A few months ago, we saw Tesla at 800, 900 billion. And I think Neo will eventually get to where Tesla is, and Tesla will become a different monster whenever Neo becomes where Tesla is. Obviously, I think Tesla will become Tesla. I mean, we see different price targets for Tesla. You see, Kathy Wood they believe that Tesla could become a $3,000 stock by 2025. You know, that's basically a 5x from now, a little bit less than 5x. So for Tesla to become 5x from now, that will make it a $3 trillion company. Do I think Neo will become a $1 trillion company by 2025 or by 2030? And if it's 1 trillion by 2030, that's a little more than 12, 13x from now. So if it 10x's from now in the next 5 to 10 years, that means Neo will be a $700 billion market cap company. And with the shares that you need, you would need basically maybe around anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 shares. I think that's the number that you would need to become a millionaire from Neo in the long term. 2,000 to 3,000 shares. Anything more than that will just help you out, man. Help you out. And I think this is the best time to take advantage, because I know that after this year, Neo is going to start moving slowly upwards and not just stay stagnating like it's been basically since the beginning of the end of last year. It basically hasn't really moved. I mean, it's been moving a lot, but it's basically relatively in the same spot around $40. I believe we will see NEO at a $400 to $500 in the next 5 to 10 years. 5 to 10 years, I will see NEO at $400 to $500. I think NEO can become $200 stock in the next 3 years. $200 stock in the next 3 to 5 years. And the next 5 to 10 years, I think it can move up anywhere from $400 to $500, which would make me, if it goes up to $500 and I have 500 shares, I will have $250,000 in NEO. So I would need to 4 times my position to become a millionaire just from NEO in the next 5 to 10 years. Do I think I can do it? I have 10 years to get 1,500 shares. Do I think I can do it? Maybe. I'm really going to try to put as much capital into NEO. I have a big position right now. I'm kind of happy with my position, but I really want to get other. I want to buy other stocks too, you know. But NEO has that potential, man. NEO has that potential. I mean, if I could buy only one stock, I think I would buy NEO. But I have other stocks I want to buy. I want to get some of these other stocks right here. Freaking Tilray! Look at Tilray's was almost under 14, I think. It was under 14. Wow. And yeah, look at there's Ethereum too. I think Ethereum can give you a lot of return. I think Corsair Gaming can give you a lot of return. I think Tattooed Chef can give you a lot of return. I think Shopify can give you a big return. Like Tilray, once they legalize cannabis, that's going to be a big return right there. So just keep adding to your positions, funding your accounts. We're gonna keep funding our accounts. I get paid next week. I'll probably deposit another $200 to $400. I'm gonna keep doing it consistently. I want to keep adding money into my portfolio. I want to get this account up as much as possible. I'm gonna keep selling puts as much as possible. I'm gonna use my margin and sell puts. I want to get my margin down. You guys know the deal. You guys know exactly what I want to do. I want to get my margin down. And then eventually, once we can start selling puts and making $500 a month, $600 a month, which is going to be beautiful. We're already basically at $300, anywhere from $250 to $300 right now a month just selling puts. And the more money I add in, the more money I can be able to sell more puts with. It's just a matter of time. And I have quite a bit of stock that I can sell puts on. I think today was probably a good time to sell some puts on Tilray. How much would you be able to make with Tilray right now? Oh, look at that. See if I had $10,000 right now. Let's see, 9. Yeah, with 9, with $10,000, you can make almost $500 on Tilray, and you can get Tilray at under $12 a pop. If you did this right now, this would be such a beautiful play right now. But right now I'm freaking broke, so all I can do right now is make videos and tell you what is going on in my mind. And right now, NEO is on my mind. NEO is on my mind 24/7. I wouldn't really be paying attention to it, but you know, I like recording videos. But yeah, that's it for this little update. I'll probably record another video whenever I have something that I want to talk about. And remember, I'm no financial advisor. I'm a freaking noob. Do your own due diligence. This is for entertainment purposes, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see you guys in the next one.